In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Notion on a MacBook Air. If you want a clean and simple workspace for notes, projects, task lists, and databases, Notion is a great tool to have on your Mac. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to get the desktop app installed and ready to use so you can start organizing your work right away. First, open your preferred browser on your MacBook Air. This can be Safari, Chrome, or any other browser you normally use. Once your browser is open, go to the official Notion website. Make sure you're on the correct site so you're downloading the genuine desktop application for Mac. When you arrive at the Notion website, look for the download option for the desktop app. Choose the Mac version and begin the download. Depending on your internet speed and browser settings, the file may download automatically to your Downloads folder, or you may be asked to confirm the download first. Give it a moment to finish before moving on. Next, open the downloaded file. You can usually find it in the Downloads folder or by clicking the download icon in your browser. When the installer opens, you'll see the Notion app ready to be installed on your Mac. On macOS, this is often a simple drag and drop installation. To install Notion, move the Notion app into your Applications folder. This is the standard way to install many Mac apps, and it ensures the app is stored in the proper location for easy access later. If your Mac asks for confirmation during this process, go ahead and approve it. Once the app has been moved into the Applications folder, you're ready to open it. You can launch Notion from Launchpad or by opening the Applications folder and clicking on the Notion app. The first time you open it, macOS may take a moment to verify the application. That's normal. After Notion launches, sign in to your Notion account. If you already use Notion, just enter your login details on the sign-in screen. After signing in, your workspace will load and you'll be ready to start using the app. From there, you can begin creating pages, writing notes, building databases, or setting up task lists. The desktop app gives you a more focused experience than using Notion in a browser, and it's especially convenient if you plan to use it regularly on your MacBook Air. That's it. Notion is now installed and ready to use on your Mac.